Okay, because I'm on my fourth windshield, I decided this time to put some windshield protection film across the front of it to keep the rock chips from turning into cracks or anything else. Now, someone said that it is a potential that it still can be cracked, which is fine. I just don't want it to be so easy. Because on these windshields out here in the desert, you get the smallest rock chips and you get these little tiny fractures all across your windshield, and it makes it look kind of hazy. And since I got a brand new windshield, decided to buy me some paint protection stuff for or windshield protection stuff for like what, 90 bucks off of eBay. Zit. Just follow the directions. All right, the first thing I want to do is take off these things on the side here, these little guardrails. They to hold the windshield in. As you can see, they're a little dirty. Let me get this off real quick. So I'll put these up here because you can see all this dirt down in here and everything. So I want to make sure I clean the entire windshield all the way around. Like I said, they just put this windshield on the other day. Okay, so there's the new windshield and the new windshield protection. When it dries, I'm gonna cut this little extra little piece around. I'm just waiting until it cures or whatever. I'm gonna let it cure overnight. I'm gonna come through in the morning and do some cleanup work. But yeah, that's gonna actually keep that those little rock chips all from tearing my windshields up. So I like how it looks. I mean, it's like a few little small imperfections in it, but because this is a like a self-healing windshield or something like that, they said it's going to kind of start leveling itself out and everything, just a little bit. There's a couple of little small air pockets way down here where I can't see because this is up under the windshield wiper. I just want to make sure you keep all air pockets away from these wipers. I'll come through tomorrow in the daytime and, like I said, clean these little pieces up like this. Get a razor blade, just kind of trim around it. There's going to be a trim sitting right here anyways. So the trim will sit here, so this won't even show. But the trim will sit. I'll trim it around top, make it look real nice. But brand new windshield and all the protection on there. All I used was razor blades, one of those little felt cards, and some spray water. That's it. Didn't even have no baby oil or nothing in it. People's like, put some baby shampoo in it. Nah, straight water, straight water. But it don't look bad to me. Like I said, as long as it protects that windshield, I do not want no more cracks. It looks pretty good. Let me shut this hood real quick. Yeah, looks pretty good to me. Of course the dog's gonna be barking, of course. Brand new windshield, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there.